It immediately invigorates me, makes me feel good inside.
And how man's best friend is becoming a patient's best friend at a San Diego hospital. How animals can help you heal faster.
You're connected to San Diego's local news leader. This is 10 News Live at 5.
And bringing canine comfort to hospital patients, the big difference a visit from Fido can make when it comes to getting better.
You're connected to San Diego's local news leader for information to keep you staying healthy.
Therapy dogs have been visiting hospital patients for years, and most will tell you a visit from man's best friend feels good. But a new study finds time spent with Fido while recuperating may be more than just a good feeling. It can also help a patient recover more quickly.
Torrey is a dog on a mission. The 9-year-old standard poodle and her owner, Leonard, arrive at Scripps Memorial Hospital ready for a full day's work. First stop, M.J. Hennessy's room.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
After a month in the hospital recovering from pneumonia, M.J. looks forward to Torrey's visits.
It immediately invigorates me, makes me feel good inside. Because animals do that anyway.
But Torrey's schedule is full. After a little love for MJ, Torrey's on to her next stop, down the hall to check on Jim Zimmerman.
You're such a sweet puppy.
Jim's recovering from heart surgery and grateful for the distraction.
It gives a person something to take their mind off of just being in a hospital and that, and you get to enjoy it, have some pleasure anyway, and gives you something to get away from the anxiety.
And then some. According to new research from the American Heart Association, going to the dogs is a good thing when it comes to health care. The study found a little pampering from a pet is especially good for heart patients.
There was an improvement in the pulse or the heart rate, an improvement in the blood pressure, and some other measurements like in some patients who were actually in intensive care units, they measured pressures inside the heart, and they actually improved.
Scripps cardiologist Dr. George Denish says his patients who get a little pet therapy recover more quickly.
I think that patients who are more comfortable generally tend to get out of the hospital quicker. They tend to feel better. I think it just is beneficial in just about every way we can see.
Torrey is part of Scripps' volunteer pet therapy program, thanks to her owner, Leonard. They're a visiting team, really, and everyone's a winner.
The patient wins because he or she is cheered up. The dog wins because it's getting loving. And I win because they tell me my kid is beautiful.
Despite her busy schedule, Torrey always has time for love. Even reporters get a kiss. But then it's on to her next stop, to brighten the last day in the hospital for heart patient Rick Carlson.
I just had a chest tube and other various things disconnected from me yesterday. So to be able to play with a dog and maybe go home tomorrow, that's a ticket.
Oh. Did you hear that? That's just another day at the office for Torrey, as well as the 10 volunteer therapy dogs at Scripps. The American Heart Association study on animals and heart patients discovered a 12-minute visit with man's best friend helped heart and lung function, diminished the release of harmful hormones, and lowered anxiety levels among hospitalized heart patients.